Discover beautifully handmade jute coasters crafted to protect your table while adding a natural, elegant touch. Perfect for eco-friendly homes, these coasters combine durability, style, and sustainability in every piece.
Protect your surfaces from heat, stains, and moisture with durable braided jute coasters. Designed for everyday use, they bring natural charm and reliable protection to your coffee and dining moments. Perfect for rustic, modern, or farmhouse decor, these jute coasters enhance every table setting with a warm, natural, and inviting look while keeping surfaces safe from damage.
Made for eco-conscious homes, these handcrafted jute coasters offer a sustainable way to protect your furniture while adding a soft, natural aesthetic to your living space. Whether hot or cold drinks, premium woven jute coasters protect your tables while adding a stylish, natural touch that fits perfectly in any modern or luxury space.
Upgrade your home with handcrafted jute coasters that combine beauty, sustainability, and everyday protection. Perfect for any table, any style, any moment.